Welcome to this short tutorial about getting an app preview code. Of course, you can view the screens of your app and make sure your buttons are properly programmed right on the platform itself, either by clicking the individual screen preview button or the overall preview button found at the bottom of the screen. But to see a true, fully functioning version of your app, you'll want to view it on a mobile device through the Mad Store app. To be able to do so, follow these simple steps to get an access code. Right next to the Preview button at the bottom of your screen is the Get App Preview Code button. Clicking on this will reveal a window that explains about the Mad Store app and how it can be uploaded onto your device, whether it be an Android or an iOS version. It also explains that you're going to receive a 9-digit preview code. Clicking on the Proceed button will do just that. And the button found at the bottom right of the screen that said Get App Preview Code is now replaced by that 9-digit code that can be put into the search window of the Mad Store app. One thing you want to be sure of after you have updated your app and worked on it at the end of a session, not only do you want to make sure you save your screens, but you also want to refresh the app. This button, when it's clicked, lets the Mad Store app know that there's a newer version available for your app, and you'll see all your latest changes only after you click that button. It's exciting to see your work on a real, live Android or iOS device. So make sure you do this early on in the process and keep checking your work. Good luck!